Welcome to the in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we can do that by two ways. Just the first way, that just press and hold to your screen, and here you will see the wallpapers icon. Just tap there, and as can you see, you can choose your wallpaper from the live or from the static wallpapers. Just tap there, and now you can select one from these wallpapers and set them. And the second way, let's just go to the settings, and here tap to the home screen, to the display and brightness, and here scroll down, and here you will see the wallpapers. Now just tap there, and by the same way you can choose from the static wallpapers, from the live one, and from the photos on your device if you get some photos in your albums. And for example, I'll go in with the static wallpaper, and I'll choose, for example, this one. Now just here tap to apply, and we want to change the lock screen. Now just tap here, and we'll change that. We'll check that. Yes, can you see our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.